Microsoft should remove this dependency on the users. When we uninstall any program on Windows 11 or 10, so Microsoft always keeps the leftover, and that can create the issues with Windows 11 and 10. And Microsoft should clear all the files including that software if that is stored, and we uninstall that program. I uninstall just this program front of you, and when we uninstall the program, it should be deleted from the program files. But as you can see here, it is still there. Components are here and still there. So Microsoft should change the behavior of uninstalling program on Windows. Once we uninstall the program, it should be removed from here, and we don't need to delete it from here as well. And it happens with every program which is installed in the system. Moreover, the data is also resides here when we press Windows in our local app data, and once we open that, the program should be here under local, and when you open that program, you should able to get the cache of that program. Temp programs here, and sometime you have to look for two ways, like first look for the app data, and the second option is lot of things are here as well. But in my case, the program is still here and its files are left over here. So we can delete it from here, and now it is uninstalled successfully from our Windows. As you can see, there are also here some files and folders under this option 86, and we have to remove this as well. We couldn't able to uninstall this as well, and when I try to delete this program, it's saying can't be deleted, and it is already open, it's saying. So this is the issue, and Microsoft should work on this, and so that the user can't face this kind of issues. When they uninstall the program, this should be removed permanently from my system. And what do you think about this? Should Microsoft change its behavior of uninstalling the program when everyone or anyone remove any program on Windows 11 or 10? So that's all for this video. Just comment what are your views and what you suggest. So thank you. Thanks for watching.